Cell C Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Cell C's plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. Cell C is one of South Africa's major mobile operators, known for its competitive pricing, flexible plans, and focus on affordability. Unlike Vodacom and MTN, Cell C operates as a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, relying on partner networks, mainly MTN, to provide nationwide coverage. It offers a mix of prepaid, contract, and top-up plans, catering to budget-conscious users, students, and businesses looking for cost-effective mobile solutions. Its services include voice, SMS, data bundles, international roaming, and value-added options like entertainment subscriptions and data sharing plans. Now let's go over its strengths. Cell C is one of the most affordable mobile operators in South Africa, making it an attractive choice for users looking to save on mobile expenses. It offers competitive prepaid and data bundle prices, with frequent promotions and double data deals. Because it operates on MTN's network infrastructure, its coverage and network reliability have significantly improved, especially for 4G LTE connectivity. Cell C's contract-free approach also provides flexibility, allowing customers to access post-paid-like benefits without long-term commitments. The operator is also strong in digital services, offering subscription-based video streaming, gaming, and music bundles at discounted rates. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Since Cell C relies on MTN's network, speeds and quality can be inconsistent in certain areas, particularly during peak usage times. While 4G coverage has improved, it still lags behind Vodacom and MTN in some rural and less populated regions. Customer service reviews are mixed, with complaints about delayed responses and difficulty resolving account-related issues. Additionally, while Cell C's prepaid and top-up plans are cost-effective, its postpaid options don't always offer the same value as competitors. So, is Cell C the right choice for you? If you're looking for an affordable, no-frills mobile provider with solid coverage through MTN's network, it's a great option. However, if you prioritize the absolute best network speeds or need seamless rural coverage, Vodacom or MTN may be better choices. Check the links in the description for Cell C's latest plans. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert telecom insights.